Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I haven't posted in a while, but I got a really fun package in the mail. Mako is hanging out with me today. So you might see him moving in the background, but I got a really exciting package in the mail that I wanted to share with you guys. So I ordered a little something from BaubleBar. So they released their Halloween collection. I guess it was several weeks ago. I'm not really sure when they released it, but when I had a chance to look at it, they were already sold out of the ones that I really wanted. And then the other day I was scrolling through Facebook and the ones that I wanted popped up in an ad, and so I clicked on it and they were doing a pre-order for another round of these earrings. And so I haven't opened this yet. I've been waiting for this since I saw them. Like the first time when I didn't think I could get them because they were sold out, but I was able to get them, and so I was gonna open them and do like a first reaction, unboxing, review thing with you guys. So let's do it. Oh, also I had to put on my pumpkin sweatshirt obviously for this video because guys, we're basically in fall, right? Like we've made it. Okay. So here we go. We have the packing slip, and then, oh, they're like not in a box or anything. They're just like all out here. So here they are. They're actually bigger than I imagined them to be, which is absolutely amazing. So they're just in a little Ziploc, and then they're wrapped in little bubble wrap. Oh, the like backing is sticking through the bubble wrap. You guys, these are so pretty. Oh, I'm obsessed, you guys. Look at how pretty these are. So these are, oh, let me see what the name of them is. I'm not even sure. The Jack Drop earrings. Their collection was really cute this year. But I saw these and I was just like, these are the cutest earrings I have ever seen. And they're just like, I don't know, enamel, I guess. And they've got these pretty gems all over them. And his little heart, or his little nose is a heart shape, which is adorable. I'm gonna put them on so you guys can see that. Okay, so I have one in, and they're pretty heavy, which is a little disappointing, but they're nice earrings. Also, please excuse the fact that my ears are like the reddest ever. I just got done teaching on OutSchool, and I wear my headset, and my ears are super red. They are pretty heavy, but it's okay. I can get over it because they're so stinking cute. I'll just have to deal with the fact that they're super heavy because they're adorable. They're really, I say they're super heavy. I've worn earrings that were heavier than this, but they do pull a little bit on my earlobes. So here we go. Okay, so I just think these are so stinking cute. They were, let me tell you the price. I don't even remember how much I paid for these. They were, it's not on here. I think they were $48, which I know that's expensive for earrings, but I only have a couple pieces from BaubleBar because they are expensive. I actually just recently found out that Target has a line of BaubleBar things called Sugar Fix by BaubleBar. And I've been looking to see if they were gonna have like a little Halloween collection, but I haven't seen it yet. So I'm just super pleased with these. This was like the quickest video ever. Mako is like, please take me outside. But that is all I have for you guys today. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I love to do these kind of things, like showing you guys random stuff that I buy. And I also do lots of puppy videos, dog stuff. I'm obsessed with my dog, if you couldn't tell. So I do a lot of those videos as well. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.